to the betterment of the school and our community. She will also receive a certificate and medal for outstanding performance in English and Filipino, for having demonstrated a proficiency in English and Filipino language, in written or in oral communication, shown creativity in expressing ideas in written or oral community. Outstanding performance in mathematics, for having high academic standing in mathematics, demonstrated passion for math expressed through an excellent attitude toward math work, and shown enthusiasm for math, which positively impact other students in class. Outstanding performance in textbook education, for having consistently exhibited exemplary skills and achievement in the area of specialization and activities that have contributed to the school and our community. She is likewise awarded a certificate and medal for the Conduct Award and Loyalty Award. In addition, she is recognized as a participant in the GSP Division-wide camp held in Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur. For achieving a general average of 91.15%.
Good day to our respected school administrators, honored guests, beloved teachers, proud parents, families, friends, and of course my fellow graduates of the class of 2026. Standing here today feels almost unbelievable. Parang kahapon lang, naging kudata sa atong mga bangko mag-wonder unsa kapaska sa panahon. And now, dili na ta graduates. Today is not just about medals or grades. It is a celebration of perseverance, growth, and shared memories. This journey was never easy. Nay mga adlaw nga murag dili nakaabot ang deadlines, exams, nga murag matest na sa atong knowledge of patience, o moments na murag gusto na lang kami give up. Pero despite everything, we showed up. Kapoy, unang tulong, o usahay nagduwa-duwang, but we still showed up. And that says a lot about our strength and character. To our dear teachers, thank you so much. Salamat sa inyong guidance, sa inyong pasensya, ug sa pagtuo sa amon, bisan kami mismo usay dili makatuo sa among kaugalingon. You taught us more than lessons. You taught us resilience and confidence. To our parents and families, this victory is also yours. Salamat sa sacrifices, sa mga suporta, sa mga pag-ampo, ug sa walay iwas sa pagbalangga. Behind every graduate is a family who never stopped believing. To my classmates, I am truly honored to stand before you today. Each of us has a unique story, full of challenges, laughter, failures, and victories. This award does not place me above you. This is for all of us. We climb this mountain together. As we step into the next chapter, ayaw gano'n sa uncertainty. Life will not always be easy, pero kabalo ko nga andam ta. The values we learn, integrity, humility, and compassion will guide us wherever we go. Class of 2026, may we chase our dream with courage, rise after every fall, and never forget where we came from. This is not the end, this is only the beginning. Congratulations to all of us. We did it. Thank you and congratulations class of 2026.